Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. Drink too much and it's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city and I broke down crying. 4 years my girls, now looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Write that tattoo on your shoulder. Put the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never getting older. We ain't never getting older. We ain't never getting older. You look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane. Stay and play that Blink 182 song that we beat to death, sing to song. Okay. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city and I broke down crying. 4 years my girls, now looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer. We ain't never getting older. That I know you can't afford. Write that tattoo on your shoulder. Put the sheets right off the corner. We ain't never getting older. From your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never getting older. No, we ain't never getting older. No, we ain't never getting older. No, we ain't never getting older.
Crashing, hit a wall. Right now, I need a miracle. Hurry up now, I need a miracle. Straining, reaching out. I call your name, but you're not around. I say your name, but you're not around. I need you, I need you, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling. I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. Don't let me down, don't let me down. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. Running out of time. I really thought you were on my side, but now there's nobody by my side. I need you, I need you, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right